Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Freelance Revival, which launched on the 17th of April at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this product by Joyce Stevens, which is an updated version of how to make money on Fiverr, bringing it right up to date to how conditions are in 2019. So if you want to understand what Fiverr is all about, or you'd perhaps thought that freelancing was finished, well, it isn't. There's still a lot of people making a lot of money on Fiverr. And in this course, short course, Joyce will show you how. So if that sounds like something that's of interest to you, then listen on to this review video. Going to also be going through the exclusive bonuses that you will get if you decide to pick up your copy of Freelance Revival from me. I've put together 5 custom bonuses. These bonuses are exclusive to me, so you won't find them offered by any other affiliate, and to get them you need to click on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0. If it does reach 0, then the bonuses will have disappeared, and that would be a disappointment to me because I spent a lot of time specifically putting them together to ensure your success with Freelance Revival. Now, having said that, do feel free to go and have a look and see what other affiliates are offering with their copies of Freelance Revival, because don't forget, you can always come back to this review video back onto YouTube when you realize that what other people are offering is nowhere near as good and nowhere near as useful to you succeeding with Freelance Revival as the bonuses that you will get from me. So what is Freelance Revival all about? Well, one freelancing platform that stood the test of time and is now flourishing again is Fiverr. Get ready to start building your online empire $5 at a time. Freelancing's not dead. In fact, freelancing and remote work has now become a major and critical part of all businesses, big and small. Freelancers can now have the opportunity to work and thrive like never before, and the future of all businesses will continue to embrace and encompass freelance work as it evolves continuously. Well, that's certainly true. Obviously, I'll let you read the sales page in your own time. But with this knowledge that you get from this course, which is only, by the way, $9.97 during the launch period, so it's under a tenner, you can learn all about Fiverr for under a tenner. It's a certain symmetry there. You're going to understand the truth about making money off Fiverr. You'll learn to identify 6 different methods that anybody can use to make real money off Fiverr. You'll learn everything there is to know about playing the Fiverr game the right way. You can begin to understand how lucrative this micro freelancing platform can be, and you're going to learn exactly how to think outside of the traditional freelancing box. This is for you if you can answer yes to any of the following questions. If you want to dedicate yourself to charging a lot more for your time, if you want to stop trying to turn your spare time into spare cash, if you know that traditional freelancing is also not very scalable, if you want to have the chance to make real money off Fiverr, and if you want to learn how to play the Fiverr freelancing game to win. So this is some of the stuff you'll get inside. Fiverr's secret, the good news, the biggest hassle with Fiverr and how to overcome it, 6 better ways to make money off Fiverr, learn how to offer premium value-added services, bundle other services and sell turnkey assets, bundle other services and sell operational assets, buy services that help you sell resellable high-value assets, use Fiverr services to build your own assets, and how to resell cheap Fiverr services at other higher value locations. I would say that this one here is the key really to making money on Fiverr. Everyone I know that is doing it right is using this method. All right, so that's basically it. There's some vendors, as I said, $9.97. There's some vendors bonus as well. There's Joyce Stevens and Diana Davis, the affiliate manager. and you will get these fast action bonuses: Freelance Revival cheat sheet, Freelance Revival mind map, and Freelance Revival resource guide. That may well be what most other affiliates are offering only. So what will you get if you pick this up from me? Well, you will get, for a start, this Fiverr Ultimate 3-hour masterclass taught by someone who makes a 4-figure income from Fiverr, and this will show you exactly in a very detailed way how to make money on Fiverr. 3 hours training, folks. That will show you everything you need to know. But I'm also going to throw this one in as my second bonus, another very successful and underused feature on Fiverr is making money on Fiverr with voiceovers. Not many people are doing this, and if you have got a decent speaking voice, then why not give it a go? It's about an hour long, and it shows you, again, it's a course from someone that's actually making a lot of money from doing voiceovers on Fiverr, and they'll show you the right way to do it. I'm throwing in this SEO masterclass because one of the things that, if you've got nothing to offer as a service, one of the things that you can do is learn the basics of SEO. So I've got an hour and a half tutorial here on the basics, everything you need to know about SEOing websites. You can then offer your services on Fiverr to do that for other people. All right. The fourth bonus, I'm going to give you the number one rule to succeed online. This is only a 20-minute tutorial, but I'm often asked if there's one thing that I need to do, Dawud, to succeed online. You know, what is it? What is it that I'm missing a trick on? Well, there's a very short tutorial here. It's actually from my mentor, John O. Armstrong, or one of my two main mentors. And he's going to tell you exactly what this is. I'm following his advice and I'm succeeding online. 3% of people are probably doing this. The 97% that aren't are the 97% that are failing. So this is worth its weight in gold. And finally, I've thrown this one in again because quite a lot of people are always asking me, all I've got access to, Dawud, is a mobile phone. I don't have a laptop or a main computer or even a tablet to work off of. You know, is there any way that I can make money actually online? Well, yes, there is. Absolutely. Don't worry about that at all. We've got you covered with this course that actually came out last year called Mobily. And what it is designed to do is to show you exactly how to make $100 a day if you've only got a mobile phone. So that is a really good course there. So I hope you can see, folks, that there's a ton of value. Really, it's almost something of a joke that it's $9.97 the cost of the front end, and I'm actually giving you hundreds of dollars worth of training here, folks. But that's the way of the world. We give away now. There's a hint here, folks, that why do we do all this? Why do we give so much value away? Well, if you take this and you actually look at this bonus, you will understand why. Yeah? You will understand why. Because it might seem a very counterintuitive thing to be doing. You'd think, well, why the hell is this guy giving away hundreds of dollars worth of free stuff for a product that I can get for under a tenner? There's madness going on here. Well, there isn't. There really isn't. If you watch this, you will understand exactly why we do things the way we do if we're succeeding as an affiliate. All right, so before we wrap things up, I'm just going to go through the upgrades. Okay, so the main difference, there's no PLR on this one, by the way, that I can see. It did look at the start as if there's going to be a private label rights product, but it's not. So no PLR on this, just to clarify that. But the main difference between the two versions is that the second version, the upsell, is video version. So your front end is going to be, your PDF, your written version of the course, and the upsell version is going to be for $17. You can have the video series. Yeah. So most people these days prefer their training on video. So I would suggest picking that up. And if you fancy a done-for-you website, well, that is going to be available for you at $297 as the big upsell. That's the agency version. All right, so that is pretty much it, folks. Fiverr, I would say, is enjoying something of a revival at the moment. I've probably started using it more this year than I have for quite some time, actually. And I've been pretty impressed with the results that I've had from jobs that I've put on there. I haven't really tried to make money off of it, I have to say, but I do know a lot of people that are. And as I said, one of the keys to it is reselling stuff on at a higher value, so you effectively become an agent for people working off Fiverr. You'll understand when you work through the course. And as I said, I think the key to all of this is the additional value that I've put in here. You know, you've got 4 hours of additional video training on succeeding with Fiverr with my bonuses. So that is pretty much it. It's 3.5 out of 5 stars, my Elite Tigers Group rating for this product. It's certainly worth a punt at under $10. And with that, I'd just like to thank you as ever for watching and indeed listening to this review video. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Freelance Revival.